to bend before the supreme lawmaker, the fundamental law, the basic law, which he prepared, the longest, lengthiest written constitution with 447 articles and 12 schedules and a knowledge bank, knowledge treasure. First of all, my humble bending before JB, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, and the persons who are on the dais and off the dais, and to my brothers and sisters, to one and all, good afternoon. No, good evening. The time is just exactly 5. Good evening all. So myself, Dr. Amareshwari Nethala. I did my LLB from Andhra University, LLM from SV University, PhD from Mahila University. I had 20 publications nationally, internationally. There is no need of explanation, all this, sir asked. And I will also give explanation why, though I had more qualifications, I had diploma in software management, typewriting higher and lower, and shorthand, I joined recently in journalism too. I had 50 certificates with me. I qualified as assistant professor exam, which was conducted in 2018. But my doubt is, which organ of the state? Judiciary, legislature, executive. We have 3 organs. Which organ is not violating the principles of natural justice? Principles of natural. In olden movies, we had Sahaja Nyaya Sutralu. Na koduke tappu chesadu, na koduki nenu punishment istanu anedi Sardar Paparayudu. Best movies we had perceived. But even the APPSC is also Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Satish Chandraji. He is striving for the person who got -3 marks. The pass percentage is only 3%. Totally 15,000 attended to the exam, but qualified candidates are only 3%. But fortunately or unfortunately, for the qualification in the assistant professor's examination, writ petitions, honorable judges are here. Judiciary is not an exception for the corruption. Maybe wrong. I obeyed my conscience and I never fear to anybody. Judiciary. It was the statement given by Sada Sivam Judge, 2013 paper, Hindu paper, 2013 December. Judiciary is not an exception for the corruption. Every organ of the state government is corrupted. If every organ is more corrupted, judiciary is less corrupted. If the person is ours, do favoritism too. If the person is not, commitment. If I had commitment, so every person is explanation. Commitment. If I committed, I have to do favoritism, either the personal bias, official bias. Fortunately and unfortunately, I had 50 qualifications with me and some other persons are bribery. Will you pay 30 lakhs? Why should I pay 30 lakhs? After 46 years of my hard work. Of course, no organ, that is my time is over. Coming to the first, casteism, first of all, just 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. No person will be discriminated based on religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. 14, 15, 16, the basic structural principles. Basic structure, what is it is telling is social justice. Social justice, is there anywhere justice in India? Reasonable question, logical question. After my death, if the property share is allotted to me, where is the justice? After my retirement, if I bought the promotion, now I am working as an academic consultant. There are so many persons who are taking the retirement. So once the case is filed, It takes at least 15 years for disposal of the issue. Delayed justice, denied justice. Fair trial, speedy trial. Where is the justice? I am speaking about only the first page. Is there any equality to the women? Liberty to the women? Casteism. No person will be discriminated based on religion, race, caste, sex, plus gender discriminations, caste discriminations. Of course, there may be 2 or 4 casteisms, maybe. But in India, 6,666 castes are there. Still, there is a demand for castes, subdivisions among the castes. So, from the caste, consequential issues are honor killings, removal from the post. There are plenty issues. From the one thing, the consequences are plenty. Leave it about the caste. Is there any reservations to SC/STs? Reservation. There is no reservations as per me. Somewhere in social media we can observe that reservations enduku, 50% reservations are only for OCs. Only 7% for STs, 15% for SCs. But that too, at the time of the giving of the order copy, I attended for the assistant professor for the Mahila University. There are total 60 posts are there. But after interview, at the time of the giving of the order copy, each and every SC candidate was kept aside. At the framing of the constitution, the reservations are meant only for 10 years or 15 years. It is extended for 10 years. If the reservations which are just 15%, at least if they are implemented properly, there may be some sustainability. So these gender discrepancies, caste discrepancies, prantiya, mata, ee vidveshalanni enni samvatsaralu chudali. Even after 200 years, we have to perceive this. The guilty mindedness. Where is the guilty mindedness among us? If I say that,
please silent.
Among us, if I say that some of the people are OCs, some of the BCs, some of the SCs, STs, if it, the guilty mindedness which was possessed by the upper caste people, they had intention, preparation, attempt, accomplishment with evil minded. The guilty mind has to be punished. But none else will struggle about the abolishment of the caste system. Nobody will rise about the caste system. The continuance. We also one of the, we committed ourselves to some other things. So, establishment of the egalitarian social order. I am expressing before the honorable judges, the establishment of the egalitarian society, egalitarian social order is highly impossible unless and until our mindset, we all together, by obeying our conscience, the fundamental duties. I abide by the constitution, I abide by the each and every basic principle without derogating to the basic structure, first page of the Constitution of India. At least I will protect unity and integrity without derogating the dignity and decency of the women. So I am expecting positively that fair-mindedness, fair activities, by obeying our conscience, by sustaining our ethical and moral values, we are hoping for the best and reformative social.
Thank you, Mata.
If you like this video, please like it, share it, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel.